Now let's look at page 172, and we're going to do 172 to 173. First, I'm going to show you how to do some of these types of problems, and then you're going to do problem number 5 on your own. So read along with me. Make sure you're looking at your textbook. We have to find the distance given the speed and the time. In other words, find the distance if we know what the speed is and the time. Mr. Anthony drives his truck at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour. Part A. At this speed, how far does he travel in 2 hours? Well, if he does 45 kilometers per hour, that means he's going to go 45 kilometers in 1 hour, right? And now we want to know how far is he going to go in 2 hours. Well, if I'm doing 2 hours, I'm multiplying the 1 hour times 2. So I'm just multiplying the 45 kilometers times 2 that he would go in 1 hour to get 90 kilometers that he would travel. 45 times 2. All right, part B. At this speed, how far does he travel in 5 hours? Well, if he's going at 45 kilometers per hour, and he does that for 5 hours, we just simply multiply by 5, and we'll figure out how far he goes. And 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 kilometers he would travel in 5 hours. It's not kilometers per hour. That's how many kilometers he would actually travel. Okay, we've done the whole page for 172. And by the way, they have a formula for this. Speed times time equals distance. And the way I remember that is Stinky Tim died. Then you'll remember it in the right order. Speed times time equals the distance. All right, here we go with the top of page 173. Keep following along. A racing car can travel at a speed of 175 kilometers per hour. And how far can the racing car travel in 3 hours? Well, the speed is 175. The time is 3 hours, and that will give us our distance. So 175 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, 21, 22, and 5. It can go 525 kilometers in 3 hours. I think these are pretty simple, aren't they? Go ahead and pause the video and do number 5. And after you've done number 5, then come on back here, turn the video back on. All right, number 5 says a high-speed train can travel at a speed of 65 meters per second. 65 meters per second. Woo! How far can the train travel in 2 seconds? Well, the speed is 65. The time is 2 seconds, and that's going to give us our distance. So 65 times 2, I can do that in my head, you probably can too, is 130 meters. It's not miles, 130 meters that it can go. There's the answer. Hopefully you got it right.